Now we are going to discuss a reaction of acyl chloride. First one, reaction with the water. This reaction with the water is follows mechanism of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water. In this case mechanism, the first stage, there is an initial attack of water molecule. That water molecule acts as a nucleophile. That is initial attack of water molecule. This water molecule acts as a nucleophile. Then elimination of small molecules. That is the second stage. Now we are going to check the first stage, initial attack of water molecule. Now we are taking an acyl chloride. Here I took ethanoyl chloride, CH3, CO, Cl. Then water is there. This oxygen contains lone pairs of electrons. This bond will be shifted to this oxygen atom. This lone pair will be coming to attach this carbon. This carbon possesses slightly one positive charge. So what will happen here? There is an intermediate complex will form. CH3, CO, H. This oxygen possesses small positive charge. Cl, then O minus. This electron will be shifted here. Bond will be coming this area. That chlorine will be dispatched. This is the first stage, initial attack of water molecule. That means attack arranging with the nucleophile. In the second stage, elimination of small molecules takes place. Elimination of small molecules. In this case, small molecules means this hydrogen and Cl. HCl will be eliminated. HCl is eliminated as small molecule. So the mechanism, this compound we will write again, CH3, CO minus, Cl, O, H, 1H. This is positive charge. This electron shifting arrows I am not mentioning here. HCl molecule will be eliminated and you will get CH3, C, O, H, double bond O. That is ethanoic acid you will get. In this case, listen what happens. There is an initial attack of water molecule takes place and followed with by elimination of small molecules. This hydrolysis is classified under the category of condensation reaction. We already know about condensation reaction. In condensation reaction, small molecules are eliminated. Look at this case. Here HCl is eliminated, small molecules. So that means initially one addition reaction takes place, then one elimination reaction takes place. So reaction of acyl chloride, reaction with water, you can say it is a condensation reaction. Otherwise you can say it is an addition elimination reaction. Addition elimination reaction. To the next topic, reaction with alcohols and phenol. As we know, esterification is the process in which alcohol react with the carboxylic acid to form ester. Alcohol combines with the carboxylic acid to form ester. The same way, acyl chloride react with the alcohol to form ester. Acyl chloride react with the alcohol to form ester. If you are taking ethanoyl chloride and ethanol, you will get ethyl ethanoate as an ester. For example, ethanoyl chloride, CH3, COCl react with the ethanol, C2H5OH gives CH3, COO C2H5. This COO, this functional group is ester functional group. Look, acyl chloride react with alcohol to form ester. For example, ethanoyl chloride react with ethanol to form ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Now, with the phenol, normally carboxylic acids do not react with the phenol. Carboxylic acid react with the phenol. There is no product formed. That is, no reaction takes place with the reaction between carboxylic acid and phenol. So in this case, acyl chloride can be used to make phenyl ester. If you want to prepare phenyl ester, instead of carboxylic acid and phenol reaction, you can use acyl chloride. Normally this reaction takes place in presence of a base. In presence of a base only this reaction takes place. You already know phenol react with the sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. Remember that topic. Phenol react with the sodium hydroxide. You will get sodium phenoxide. So here, to prepare phenyl ester, ethanoyl chloride or acyl chloride react with the sodium phenoxide. For example, ethanoyl chloride, CH3COCl, that is ethanoyl chloride, react with the sodium phenoxide, ONA plus minus, to form phenyl ethanoate, CH3C double bond O plus NaCl. This compound is known as phenyl ethanoate. If you want phenyl benzoate, you want to take benzoyl chloride with a sodium phenoxide. You want to just remember, if you want to prepare phenyl ester, always you want to use acyl chloride with the sodium phenoxide. Which ester you want to prepare, based on that you want to choose the acyl chloride. If you want to prepare phenyl ethanoate, you want to take ethanoyl chloride. If you want to prepare phenyl benzoate, you want to take benzoyl chloride. So I will write one example. Benzoyl chloride, benzene ring, COCl plus sodium phenoxide. So you will get phenyl benzoate. C double bond O benzene ring plus NaCl. This is phenyl benzoate.